Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Which of the following statements is not correct for methanogens? Option A, they are archaebacteria. Option B, they live in marshy areas. Option C, methane is their preferred carbon source. Or option D, they are present in guts of several ruminant animals and produces biogas from the dung of these animals. तो इस particular question में we have to identify the statement which is incorrect with respect to methanogens. तो हम जो concept use करेंगे that will be features of methanogens. To begin with the explanation, जो किंगडम मोनेरा था जिसमें यूनिसेलुलर प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स को इंक्लूड करा गया था एंड बैक्टीरियाज वर द सोल मेंबर्स ऑफ किंगडम मोनेरा, उसे क्लासिफाई करा था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ cell wall structure into two groups, and वो ग्रुप थे first being archaebacteria and जो second group था that was eubacteria which are also called as true bacteria. जो archaebacteria थे they included special bacteria because they could survive in extreme harsh condition, and one of the reason जो था उनके survival का that was जो उनकी cell wall थी that was chemically and structurally different from other bacteria. Further, archaebacteria को classify करा गया into three groups that were methanogens, halophiles and thirdly thermoacidophils. जैसे कि इनका नाम ही सजेस्ट कर रहा है थर्मो which means heat and acido which refers to acidic environment. So जो thermoacidophils थे they could tolerate acidic pH as well as high temperature. तो जो इनकी preferred location थी that was hot sulfur springs. Whereas जो halophiles थे they could survive in high salt areas and जो इनकी preferred location थी that was salty areas. Coming to methanogens, जो methanogens थे ये देखने को मिलते थे in marshy areas. Marshy areas are the land with high amount of water and ये use होते हैं for the production of methane from carbon dioxide in an aerobic condition which is mandatory. ये प्रोसेस एरोबिक कंडीशंस में एस्टैब्लिश नहीं कर सकते. ये देखने को मिलते हैं इन द गट ऑफ ruminants such as cows and buffalo. फर्दर ये उनके डंग में भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं जो यूज करा जाता है फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोगैस या जिसे हम कहते हैं गोबर गैस, जो यूज होता है फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोगैस विच इज मीथेन. एंड जो इसका वन ऑफ द फेमस एग्जांपल है दैट इज methanobacterium. Now if we look at the options, option 1 says they are archaebacteria. This is a correct statement because जो methanogens थे ये include करे गए थे archaebacterias में because ये survive करते थे harsh conditions such as anaerobic environment. They live in marshy areas. This is also a correct statement. Methane is their preferred carbon source. This is an incorrect statement because ये convert करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को मीथेन में. That means CO2 was their preferred carbon source, ना कि मीथेन. जो fourth statement है that says they are present in gut of several ruminant animal and produce biogas from the dung of these animal. ये भी correct statement है because इनके गट में जो मिथेनोबैक्टीरियम प्रेजेंट था वो फर्दर इनके डंग में भी प्रेजेंट होता था जो प्रोसेस होता था फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोगैस। हेंस जो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है दैट इज मीथेन is their preferred carbon source is the correct answer because ये statement with respect to methanogens incorrect है क्योंकि CO2 उनका preferred carbon source था ना कि मीथेन। I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.